Flayton at the Flayton LASIK Center here on August the 17th, 2007. We're one day after doing LASIK procedure on Casey's, both of her eyes. Why did you come see us in the first place, Casey?
Because I couldn't even see very well with my glasses or contacts.
Like, how bad was it? I mean, like, were you like alarm?
My hand in my face was blurry.
Hand in your face, like alarm clock at the nose, right?
Yeah.
You know what your prescription was?
I think it was -7.
It's -7. That's a big time prescription. That's thick. That's like Coke bottle glasses. So your goal was, let's get rid of these glasses with laser vision correction.
Yep.
And we elected to do LASIK. And so initially you came in to see some of our staff for what we call like a screening exam. How was that?
I liked it. It was really good and very informative.
And they were helpful, and
They were very helpful.
And ultimately they said, we look like you're a candidate, and then you'd come to meet myself, right?
Yes.
And how long did I spend with you?
I don't know. Probably more than an hour.
More than an hour.
Talking about everything, going over it all.
And at the end, you felt very confident.
Very.
What was the one piece that, more than anything else, do you think that made it that you felt like this was the right place to come to?
I definitely like that different tools for each eye.
Right. And we ended up doing yours in a sterile hospital certified operating room.
The operating room also.
Right.
Definitely.
So that's where we do all our procedures. And that's the beautiful thing. So ultimately, there was some fear going. You've had a lot of different types of procedures. Never anything quite like this. You never had eye surgery.
Never.
Right. So what was it like? What was the procedure like?
I don't know. I don't know, because everybody was in there I had already met before. Everybody's talking and normal and keeping it, very relaxed and calm.
And how long did it take?
I have no idea. It
Really?
wasn't very long though, I don't think.
I mean, was it an hour?
I don't think.
No. Actually, your total procedure for each eye was less than 5 minutes.
That's what I thought. I thought it was really short.
And could you see as you walked out of the place? Not really.
Not really, because of the drops.
Right. It was kind of like what?
It was blurry and kind of like underwater,
like
but I could still see.
Like water. It is. That's what most people say. It's like underwater. So we sent you home. Said, go lay down with your eyes closed for 2 hours, and then when you woke up, what'd you notice?
I could see. Everything was blurry around the edges still, and sometimes things would be, here and there, but when I woke up this morning, it was a lot better.
It was unbelievable. She actually popped out 20/20 in each eye this morning. She could see the alarm clock for the first time. The world around her was crisp. It was clean. The trees were beautiful. Right? Yep. What was it like? I mean, really?
I still can't get over it. I'm like, no. It's definitely a shock, but very glad.
Big wow factor, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So here's the big shtick. It says, if someone were to come up to you and said, like, where should they go for a laser vision corrective surgery, where would you tell them to go?
Come here.
Where's here?
Flayton Eye Center.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.